Hi guys, I'm Mariah. I work at Tiny Bubbles Tea Bar. I'm a manager there.
And hey, I'm Brielle, the founder of Tiny Bubbles here on the square, and we're about to set up a Victorian tea party and see how well we do. You ready to make a fool of ourselves?
Let's get started.
Let a pure white cloth be neatly laid as evenly as possible. Let the tray be placed at one side or at the other end of the table. Put around the tea table as many small plates as may be weighted, with a small knife in front and a fork placed on a napkin at its left side.
These are the plates. And a small knife. Here you go.
Knife in front.
And then forks.
Just about napkins, right? Fork placed on a napkin and its left side out here. These are much prettier than my Walmart silverware.
Let the tray be covered with a white napkin and put on in a cup, saucer, and teaspoon for each person. Put the teaspoon at the right-hand side of the cup. Behind the cups and saucers, set the sugar dish on the right hand and the cream pot on the left, with the slop bowl in the center, leaving a place behind for the teapot.
So if it says covered, I'm gonna assume it literally means covered. Put the teaspoon at the right-hand side of the cup. Well, what's the right? So like wherever you're standing could be the right, so we're gonna go with that. Behind the cups and saucers, set the sugar dish on the right hand. Set the sugar dish on the right hand and the cream pot on the left. Of what?
So I guess of the tray.
How is it behind the cups and saucers? Alright, so we're going behind it, on the right hand, and the cream pot on the left.
What is a slop bowl?
I don't know.
That's how it's said. The slop bowl.
With the slop bowl in the center. Perfect. Leaving a place behind for the teapot. Leaving room for the teapot. Place, I guess it'll tell us to place it next. All right, next.
At the other end or side, opposite of the tray, let a dish of ripe fruit be set, with a large spoon and a pile of small saucers in front or at the side of it. On either side, at some little distance from it, let there be plates, with bread sliced about the 1/8 of an inch in thickness.
Scooch. And my fruit, my darling.
Here we go.
And then 4 saucers.
Here we go.
Can you measure that bread, please?
I think it's 8 out of 10.
All right, we'll call that a day right there. Okay, fabulous. Let's see what's next.
Let a fine mold of butter occupy the center of the table. Let its knife be beside it. In the center should be a vase of flowers and about 2 candelabra or several individual candlesticks.
Butter? Probably that knife, yeah. It's a cute knife. So if this is in the center, maybe these go more over here.
Wow, this is
You want the candles and all the
detailed.
flowers?
Yeah.
And we got a centerpiece.
Perfect.
Cute.
A cake stand may be used, in which the top tier is used for scones or biscuits, the middle tier for sandwiches, and the bottom tier for sweets, pastries, and desserts.
Oh, my jeans. Okay, y'all trust us this much?
Yeah, that's pretty good. Chocolate.
Don't say that! My seat would be here, and so this is where that would go. Okay, what's next?
A pitcher of ice water with small tumblers surrounding it may occupy one corner, and a basket or plate of cake the other.
Thank you.
That looks delicious.
I know, this is like the best looking thing here. I'm gonna dip that in my tea. Alrighty, tea may now be served. Alright, so what do you think?
I can't really see you.
Yeah, this is kind of obnoxious in my face. Do you want to rearrange it?
Yes.
This way we have like little things in front of us and we're not. Alright, right, so we're ready to serve the tea. All I need is water.
Yes.
A water boy. Thank you.
And I'll put this here.
Perfect.
Afternoon tea should be served at 4 p.m. Ladies attending tea are expected to remove their bonnets. When greeting another, remove the glove from the right hand, place the removed glove in your left hand, and shake hands skin to skin. Gloves should then be removed, as it is improper to dine with one's gloves on. When seated at the table, you should put your napkin in your lap.
Afternoon tea should be served at 4 p.m. We're doing good. Ladies attend tea are expected to remove their bonnets. Check. When greeting another, remove the glove from the right hand. Place the removed glove on your left hand. Just drape it.
Okay.
Weird. And shake hands skin to skin. Ooh, Mariah.
Here we go.
Hello, my lady. Gloves should then be removed, as it is improper, of course, to dine with one's gloves on. Plus, I'd get food all over them.
Yes.
When it comes to pouring tea, the services of a lady are required. If the hostess is unavailable to pour, the duty must fall to another lady of the company. The tea bag should be placed in the teapot first, and afterwards add the hot water.
All right, fabulous. And then add the water on top.
Okay, here's the hard part.
This is all me and Mariah do all day, every day, is brew tea.
Teas are liquid.
We've probably brewed like, I don't know, 1,000 gallons of tea in our life. It's
I
kind of
tried to
insane.
measure it before.
To guess.
Yeah.
Do not fill the cup up to the rip. Always keep your teacup and saucer together. The handle of the cup and the spoon should point to 4 o'clock.
All right, so I think it's time for us to get a teacup and saucer.
Here you go.
Yeah.
Lady.
Have you ever drank coffee out of a teacup? It's actually really fun. You feel
Really?
super fancy.
I
did
like
it
to
the other
drink
morning.
coffee fast, but like big in large quantities,
Oh,
you know?
gotcha.
Like tea is a casual sip.
You're respecting it, I get it.
Yes.
The handle of the cup and the spoon should point to 4 o'clock.
The handle and the spoon.
Yeah.
Okay.
And the spoon, you see that? Okay, should point. I'm gonna point the back end of the spoon and you're pointing the front, so one of us gets it right.
Yeah, perfect.
All right, then you can go ahead and pour the tea. Thank you, dear.
Use only lemon slices, not wedges. First place the sugar in the cup and then add the lemon. Never use milk and lemon together.
Okay, and sugar.
It says place sugar in the cup, then add lemon. Never use milk and lemon together. It'll curdle.
Yes.
It's disgusting.
And then a lemon.
Yes, please.
Should I just grab the lemon?
I feel
Oh.
like, is there a
I
thing?
use this
Fabulous. No end. If it's got a little cut in it, you can put it on the rim. If it doesn't, throw it in there. Just throw it, just do it. Fabulous.
Under no circumstances must you stir tea in a circular motion. The proper way to stir is to place the spoon at 12 o'clock position in the cup and softly fold the liquid back and forth 2 to 3 times to the 6 o'clock position. Do not allow the teaspoon to touch the sides of the cup. Never leave the teaspoon in the cup. Take your spoon out of your cup after stirring and place it back on the saucer to the right of the cup.
Oops. Okay, it says under no circumstances must you stir tea in a circular motion. I did that. The proper way to stir is to place the spoon at 12 o'clock position and softly fold the liquid back and forth 2 to 3 times to the 6 o'clock position.
What?
It's like buttering steak.
Ah, I see.
Do not allow the teaspoon to touch the sides of the cup. Okay. Also broke that rule. 'Cause I'm
Wow, this
pretty
is so detailed.
If sat at a table, the proper manner to drink tea is to raise the teacup, leaving the saucer on the table, and to place the cup back on the saucer between sips. Never loop your fingers through the handle, nor grasp the vessel bowl with the palm of your hand. Always look inside a cup while drinking, not over it.
Never loop your finger around the handle. Okay. Then how do I grab this? nor grasp the vessel bowl with the palm of your hand. Okay, so we're leaving the...
Doing both of those things.
Okay, so don't loop your finger, don't grasp the bowl, and look into the cup while we're drinking the tea.
Okay, so it's like...
So I guess we just like kind of... I wonder when pinkies up come into play.
I don't think that's too much.
Did I make that up? All right.
Yeah.
Look at your tea.
Delicious.
Great, I love the lemon. Didn't even have to squeeze it. All right, let's see if they're gonna tell us we did anything else wrong.
The order in which food should be eaten is sandwiches, scones, and then the sweets. Never put your fork back on the table. Place it on the side of the plate. Never cut scones or biscuits directly in half and spread jam and butter on them. The proper way is to place the scone on a plate and tear off bite-sized chunks. Then take a knife and apply butter and jam.
I actually feel like I've seen that before in a movie and thought they were weird, but
They were doing it the right way.
Apparently.
The butter and then...
Can you reach? Oh, I gotta get it closer to those. So, oops, okay, that's really crumbly. Try this one. Butter.
And jam together? Oh, yeah.
Why not? I think it'd be delicious. I think I want more jam. Can we toast?
Yes.
Thank you. Delicious.
Yum.
Well, thank you for having a tea party with me.
Absolutely. Until next time.
Yes. Y'all
No
want to have a
looping
tea
the
party?
fingers.
Yes. Oh gosh, I already did. As you're saying it, I'm
know,
looping
that's a
it.
hard one.
Okay, this is really weird. Yeah, if you guys want to come have a tea party with us, find us at Tiny Bubbles, but we're serving bubble tea.